friends, welcome back in BIMwala.com. I am your host Parvez Khan, and in today's video I'll be discussing about career path in BIM. Okay, so we'll be discussing how much time it takes to be promoted to the next level from one level, and then what sort of salaries we can expect, how much time it's going to take to become a BIM manager. Okay, so this data I have collected from the net or the sources, different sources. This is not going to be sacrosanct. Okay, please mind my words. This is not kind of hard and fast and very fixed sacrosanct. Okay, this is a general criteria. Obviously there are many factors, depends on the company as well, the talent of the individual as well, you can see, and sometimes the opportunities. Okay, when the demand is high, so you can understand supplies for them, people can hire you at good wages as well, and in fact with some less skills as well. So there are many factors, and of course I keep the luck at topmost, at the rank one. So along with the BIM, if you find any mistake or any wrong sentences in my video, please do let me know in the comment box, because I'm also working on my spoken English as okay. And I would urge you people as well, being a civil engineer, we basically do not speak in English. Okay, we always think like we are site engineers or civil engineers. Only IT people can discuss the things in fancy words, okay, and they can speak fluently, but that's not the case. You can also become a good English speaker. Okay, the only thing you have to work on your spoken English. Okay, so if you find any mistake in my speaking English as well, please do let me know in the comment box. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. I'm gonna share my PPT and to let me know if it is visible to you. Okay, back to the script. So the topic of today's video is career path in BIM. I'm of the firm opinion that you can see the slide. Okay, now here we have on the x-axis we have pay. That means on this axis please forgive me for my drawing. I'm a civil engineer, but still I do not have good command on this annotation. Correct, this is the time axis. Let's say this is x and this is y. So this is nothing but, you can say, there's a comparison, a graph. Okay, when the time is increasing, how much pay of yours increasing in a BIM industry. So okay, not a big deal. Let me show you how it progresses when you are working as a BIM professional in the industry. When you compare it with your colleagues, which is not a BIM professional. Okay, let us see what we have inside. This is kind of career progression. Okay, this is a ladder which shows how we progresses in our career, right? This is a career path. Now I have included the, you can say, legend as well. So this blue legend is for a BIM professional, and here we have non-BIM professional person. Okay, correct. So before going there, let me make you a bit let me simplify a bit for you. This is basically, you can say, this is the time which has been taken by a BIM professional, and this is the time which has been taken by a non-BIM professional. Okay, and if you compare the salaries, so this is gonna be like this. Let me take another pencil, and this is for the BIM professional. Correct. That means, if I'm not wrong, if you have a basic understanding of mathematics, okay, the time which has been taken by a non-BIM professional, okay, is more than by this amount in comparison to a BIM. You can say delta x. Okay, let me a bit mathematician here. Delta X is the time which is more than what has been taken by a BIM professional. BIM professional has taken this much of time, whereas if you talk about non-BIM professional, this much of time. Similarly, this is delta Y from here to here. This is delta Y. That means the salary or the pay of a BIM professional is greater than by a value delta Y in comparison to a non-BIM professional. Sorry, it should be from here. Okay, this much. Correct? Now, coming back to the theoretical part. Let me raise it. I hope this is clear to you all. Now, let us talk about the journey of a BIM modeler or a BIM professional or a BIM aspirant, you can see. So when you enroll in a course, okay, please make it clear, ensure this thing that you are not going to become a BIM professional until or unless you are being recruited by a company from your campus itself, and they are just putting you in the BIM domain directly from the day one, okay, after hiring. Or sometimes you may also get a chance off campus as well, through LinkedIn or some other job portals. If you are a fresher and they are recruiting you as a fresher BIM engineer, they are just giving you the BIM work from the day one. They are training you for the same work. Then only you can start your career as a BIM professional from the beginning. Okay. However, if you are not into that, you are already an experienced or seasoned personnel, or maybe working in the construction industry or in the design industry as a structural engineer, designer, planner, whatever, and you want to kick off your BIM journey, that in that case you have to undergo a course, okay, a BIM professional kind of course, maybe certification course, maybe 4, 5, 6 months or 8 months, depending upon your interest. And I always suggest my learners that don't go for a big course in the beginning, because you never know. I mean, you're gonna waste your time or money as well, or you will be finding your niche or interest in that particular domain. So start from the freebies. Okay, try to follow some of the YouTube channels just like BIMwala, and then go for some basic courses in the beginning. Then if you find it interesting, then you can obviously enroll for big courses, right? So considering that scenario, that you are already in the market and maybe you are not getting any stuff, you are not employed into the BIM industry. Now let's say you are starting your BIM journey today. You have enrolled in a program, and after completing the program, post that after 1 year you will become a BIM modeler or a BIM engineer, okay, right, after 1 year of completing the course maybe, and it may take 1.5 years, and sometimes the moment you complete the course you can become a BIM modeler. So BIM modeler is the one from the scratch you starting journey. The BIM modeler is the very first stage. You have to be very proficient with the tools, just like modeling, Revit. You have a good command over the tools, modeling, and then Navisworks maybe, and then Civil 3D. If you are working in a infra industry, then Civil 3D, InfraWorks, and if you are into the buildings, then maybe MEP or civil structure modeling in Revit. Correct? You will become a BIM modeler after completing the course, after 1 year of completing the course. Then let's say after completing 2 years as a modeler, okay, or as an engineer. I mean, these words are interchangeably used in the industry. They hire you as a BIM engineer, and they make you work on the modeling aspects as well. This is what is happening in India, not in India, but I have certain friends I have many friends in UAE. They just discuss sometimes that we are BIM engineer, but still we are modeling. Okay, so be ready for that as well. After completion of 2 years as a modeler, or as an engineer. Let's say you are a modeler, you will become BIM engineer, and if you were BIM engineer, you will become senior BIM engineer after 2 years. So that means 3 years post the completion of your course, correct? After 4 years of experience, that means 2 years here and 2 years there, you can become BIM coordinator if you are in a niche company. Those are working in the BIM industry only. Okay. For example, Texture is there, Technostruct is there, right? Mars is there, Virtual Studio is there, Pinnacle. These are the Neilsoft. These are the big names in the industry. Okay. If you are working in such kind of company, then definitely, down the line, after 4 years, 4 to 5 years, you can consider yourself as a BIM coordinator, correct? And down the line, after maybe 6 years or 8 years, again, it depends a lot of factors. Please do not take it as it is. Just go and have your own research. I never say that this is the kind of data which is sacrosanct and this is the full and final. No, never ever I say that. I always emphasize my learners to go take these words and to go for your own research and then take the decision, correct? So 6 to 8 years in the BIM industry, core BIM industry, you can consider yourself the manager or BIM lead in that particular company or department. Finally, we have 10 to 12 years. You can become HOD of BIM director, BIM strategy manager, BIM implementation manager, BIM implementation consultant. There are, designations vary from company to company, organization to organization. So that's not a big deal, right? These are the kind of rules, or these are the generally these rules you will find in Indian industry. So in between all these, we have a BIM specialist, 4D specialist, you can say, facility management specialist, sustainability expert, 3D specialist, you can say, okay, and maybe BIM designer. Okay, these sort of, we have not many designations, but in general, commonly we have modeler, engineer, senior engineer, coordinator, BIM manager, BIM lead, HOD, director in an organization. VDC specialist is one of the designations, but we have a lot many. In India, in Indian subcontinent, generally we do have these kind of vacancies. If you go abroad, you will find information manager, information delivery manager, okay, 4D specialist, and then 4D simulation, cost specialist, sustainability specialist, expert kind of thing. So this varies from place to place and organization to organization. Now you must be thinking, sir, the very interesting part, which is about how much we are going to earn when we work as a BIM professional. So this is documented. When you go and Google it, you will find that BIM professional, a BIM professional earns more than a non-BIM professional. Data says 40%, but I do not agree on that. Excuse me. So, but yes, there is a difference between the two. Okay. Now back to the script. After 2 years, when you become senior BIM engineer or BIM modeler, you can earn 40 to 50K per month. Okay. And again, when you become BIM coordinator, you can consider yourself earning as something between 60 to 70K per month. All right. As a BIM manager, BIM lead, generally you can have 80 to 100K per month. And of course, this is on the lower side. After 10 to 12 years, you may earn even more than that. If you're working in a big MNC, they can give you a really good amount of money. If you're working with Big Fours, you can definitely earn even more than that. But this is considering the Indian companies, just like Tata, LNT, or maybe some foreign multinationals as well, like Jacobs and all. And finally, just after the completion of 1 year of the course as a semi-fresher, I won't say like fresher, but semi-fresher, or maybe you have some experience here and there who work with Revit or InfoWorks, maybe Civil 3D. Okay, so you can consider yourself earning something between 25 to 35 per month. So this was all about the BIM journey or BIM path, BIM career path, you can say. If you have still any other doubts, so you can always come to me and provide your comments in the comment box. I would love to read them and will get back to you. If you want some other videos on some other topics, please do let me know. Okay, I will cover all those topics related to the BIM thing. And until then, see you. Bye bye. I'm signing out. This is Parviz Khan. See you again.